Moving vlog part 1. So, first day back at the old house, and we're literally gonna just start packing up everything you see behind me today, and I guess kind of do like a weird time-lapse thing or something, not really sure. It's probably not gonna be very interesting, but you know, whatever. It's just a little something extra for anyone who remotely cares. So, not really sure what the actual game plan is, but I think we're gonna break this stuff down first. Say hello, puppy. Mira, sit. Good girl. Up, up. You're embarrassing me in front of all my fans. Up, up. Okay, nice half attempt. Nice half attempt. Anyway, so we're gonna break down this desk, get all of this stuff packed up, and you know, for the sanctity reasons and wanting to have internet, we're gonna do this last. But I'll probably take away the monitor and that server, get the server put into that box, and that server's gonna stay for some length of time, unsure. And yeah, I don't know, just start packing things up. I mean, we've got a lot to do. I still have my Dell box, which is cool, even though there's nothing in it, and the Dell's not here, it's at somebody else's house. But we've got some work to do. Alright, so this is going to be the last update because I got to break down all of this and then I won't have internet. And I'm not sure how I'm going to upload this video, but I'll figure it out and see you guys next time when I'm in Alabama. Peace.